Welcome to Citizen Portal. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use the clipping and sharing feature on Citizen Portal to be able to share specific parts of video recordings. Let's say you've found a video on Citizen Portal that contains an important piece of information you want to share.
We have a different mandate than other federal land management agencies where we generate revenue that goes into a trust, and then the earnings from the trust go to fund public education, primarily.
Instead of sharing the entire video, you can simply create a clip of the relevant part. To create a clip, all you need to do is highlight the part of the transcript you want to share and click Create Clip. Give your clip a title. Choose whether you want it to be public or private, and then click Save. Once your clip is saved, you can copy the link and share it via email, messaging apps, or post it on social media using the provided links. By sharing clips of the actual video, you can lead others to the source of the information, which is often buried or misrepresented in misleading headlines and social media posts. We hope that you find this feature useful. If you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for using Citizen Portal.